Process dust removal is the product of high-temperature physicochemical reaction. Formed in high temperature, its physical and chemical properties change, difficult to use, greater harm to production. Dust ball host power from the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, through the drum, cylindrical gear reducer, through the rod pin, connected to the drive shaft. The movable shaft and the forced shaft run synchronously through the open gear. A hydraulic device is installed behind the forced bearing seat. Spiral feeder is driven by electromagnetic speed regulating motor through the worm gear reducer rolling, so that the press material into the main feed port. In the spiral feeder, due to the constant feeding pressure of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, the constant feeding pressure can be maintained under the condition that the feeding amount is equal to the material required by the host machine, so that the pellet quality is stable. If the feeding amount is too large, the feeding device is overloaded, and the feeding amount is too small,